Growing up as a child in the late 50s in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, I was fascinated by the cinema vans that Lever Brothers used for promoting their products in the townships. They showed 16mm or 35mm movie clips in broad daylight, and ever since I've dreamt of making one. In the mid-80s, I started in earnest to try and realize my dream, researching, experimenting, and eventually abandoning film for video because of technological obsolescence. After many stumbles, this is my second working prototype, and I'm confident it can hold its own as an appropriate technology showpiece. Its key attributes are ability to follow the target audience where they are and a quick setup in minutes. Operation in daylight during normal working hours, avoiding security concerns of nighttime operation. Cost effective by using videos that can be replayed as often as needed and edited and updated as required, rather than using a sizable team of staff. Internet connectivity and making radio outside broadcasts more appealing by incorporating videos. Cost effective for Botswana compared to the large, expensive, high-tech rigs. The marketplace is crowded with traditional approaches to outdoor marketing and promotional activities. And as Rootsmore Vision, we want to distinguish ourselves as the purveyors of what needs to be seen and heard in style. With your support, we can gather the momentum we need to grow the business as far and wide as the rest of the country, the region, and even Africa as a whole. Our revenue stream is rental, franchise, and our startup plan commences with winning the domestic market share. My name is Tavani Khosidinsi, and I've designed and built a minibus audiovisual rig with a large screen video display and a 600-watt PA system that works outdoors in broad daylight. The rig is primarily designed to unleash the power of audiovisual programming for proximity-based interactive marketing and promotional activities for commercial products or for social marketing.